Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Notion with Python using Cursor AI code editor tool. So Notion is a task management tool that helps you to plan and organize your tasks. So what I need to do next is open the Cursor AI code editor tool. I will add a folder in Cursor tool. Okay, in order to do that, first I need to create a folder in my D directory and I will name this folder as Notion, and then I will select this folder and just select add the folder in the Cursor AI tool. It has been added. Now I will go to the terminal, go to the new terminal. Now in order to establish connection with Notion, we need to first install the Notion SDK. So I will type this command pip install Notion client. Okay, just copy and paste it over here. Pip install Notion dash client, click hit enter, and this is going to install this SDK. It is installed. Okay, now what I need to do next is just open the home page of Notion, and then I will create a new page. So in order to create a new page, I will go over here, add new, add an empty page. So since I'm managing my YouTube videos, I'm a content creator, I create YouTube videos, so I'll have to manage my YouTube videos with the help of this Notion tool. So what I need to do next is just give a name. So I will name this page YouTube content tracker. So I'll quickly name this page, and then I will add a cover page as well. So I will add a default cover page. I'm not going to change anything. Then I will add an icon. Let me just quickly do it. So this one I really like, so I will give this an icon. Okay, then I will give a description. So I want to manage my YouTube videos, so this is going to be my description: a centralized hub to plan, organize and track all your YouTube videos. So let me just quickly do it. Okay, it is done. Now is the time to add a database. So let me just quickly do it. Go over here, go over here and add a database. So this is selected, this page is selected, add a database, empty database. Now I'm going to add some values in my table. So first I need to give a name to my table. So the name is going to be YouTube content. Let me just copy and paste. This will be my name. Okay, and name. Okay, here I'm going to give how to install. This is my first video that I'm planning to make in the future: how to install Python on Windows 11. And then I also want to make some AI related videos. So how to install Cursor AI code editor tool, Cursor AI code editor tool. Okay, and then I will add a property as well, give property. So this is going to be the property that I will add is status. So right now the status is not started. As far as this video is concerned, the status is in progress. And then I'm going to add some other properties. So in order to add, I will click plus button, and then I can add some properties like video category. So it has given me a suggestion. So the video category could be like, let me just change video category, change type. So the change type is going to be text. So I want to change the video category type. So the text is installation video, and this will be AI related video, AI video. Okay, and now then I can add a date as well. Let me just quickly add. So I'm planning to make this video by the end of this month. So 31st January, let's say, is going to be my date. This one 30 January. Okay, everything is added. I don't want to add some more properties. This is just for the purpose of demo. Now the table is added, page is added. Let me just quickly add an icon as well. Add a description. I'm going to add description as well. Let's quickly do it. add a cover page as well. Okay, it has been added. YouTube content, this is the name of my table. So now is the time to establish a connection. Now I will open the Cursor AI tool and I will create a Python code over here. So notion.py will be the name of my file, and let me just quickly copy paste this code. And so I'm required two things. I'm required the secret token and I'm required the database ID. So first I will show you how to get the secret token from Notion. Okay, so I need to first share this to this. Okay, I have to select everyone at this workspace because I've created a workspace. Now what I need to do next is just go over here and I will go down and I will go to the connection and I will go to the develop integration. And afterwards what I need to do is I will create a new integration and I will name this. I have to associated workspace. So I have to click this which I have created. Now click save. No, I need to provide the integration name as well. So the integration name I will set as cursor integration. Let's name this as this integration and save this. Go to configurations and then show and just copy this secret token and paste it over here. Just copy and paste. Okay, after that what you need to do is go to the access tab and select page. Page is private and you have to select this particular page. Okay, I want to give this access, update access. Okay, now this is done and dusted. Now is the time to give the database ID. So in order to get the database ID, what you need to do is just, I will show you, go to the table. This is the page and I have to go to the table, and then you need to just copy this code. Just copy this part from this URL. Okay, and just paste it over here, and this will be my database ID. Just paste. Let me just check it again. Okay, it is okay. Now is the time to run the code. Just save the code and run it over here. Run code and you will see. Okay, look, how to install Cursor AI code editor tool, how to install Python on Windows. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process. So I'm getting the name. You can also get the other column as well, like status, video category, date. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process of connecting Notion with Python. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and have a great learning.